Abono puila 28 August halmadibo Tripura hasteo phai tongo hagotor bisbini ajuphang mojang jepinata aboni bagai phaine 29 August halmadibo AADMI khumulungo klaijaknai kaisa kotor lukuthum panda o lukuthum panda bo hasteni jo to lukurokno phai manjakna ni bagai saklai mung rijago abai mungko haste BJP committee Bharatiya Janata Party ni hagotor ajuphang mojang jepinata no Tripura hasteo lamjak sogo hasteni jo tolukurok
is the party in power. Administration is controlled by them. That day, that is yesterday, entire police forces, even the officers of the rank of additional SP, DSP, some sectors, all they have, it was from entire state, it was, that is, they were brought in Khumlung area to cover the and maintain the law and order to protect the participants there. But even though the mobilization was very poor, yes, in some areas it is unfortunate, it is not desirable, there has been some disruption, some vehicles were attacked and few people were assaulted. It should not be happen. It is not the way in the democratic country. But it has been totally rejected by the people. And yesterday's that public meeting was a totally deserted meeting. That way the people of Tripura and very particularly the indigenous people, they